each and every day. A spot where many years ago 5 little boys would play. The war to end all wars began, and they donned their tin hats. By the time the fighting stopped, only one of them came back. So Charlie planted ivy here to remember fallen friends. The lines grow up around my trunk as their reach extends. When the road crew came along, tried to knock me down, Charlie sat there, gun in hand, said, "You'll have to go around." 'Cause they paid the price for freedom, they offered up their lives, and he won't let you cut me down, no matter what the price. More and more they gathered, as far as the eye could see. They all stood behind him, save Charlie's tree. For years I've stood and held my place, the tallest tree around, until one day those vandals came and tried to burn me down. Though I've been topped, I'll hold my place, hope the passing tide glance my way and say a prayer for all of those who've died. 'Cause they paid the price for freedom, they offered up their lives, and he won't let you cut me down, no matter what the price. More and more they gathered, as far as the eye could see. They all stood behind him, save Charlie's tree. Straight as an arrow, this road was designed, until I cast my shadow, Charlie spoke his mind. He said they paid the price for freedom, they offered up their lives. He won't let you cut me down, no matter what the price. More and more they gathered, as far as the eye could see. They all stood behind him, save Charlie's tree. Yes, they all stood behind him, save Charlie.